Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this eye look that I did for Valentine's. I'm mostly going to show you guys the eye look. I did like my whole face off camera just because you guys have seen what I do in most of my makeup videos, so that's what I'm going to show you guys. Obviously, it's not something that I would wear daily, but for Valentine's, I think it's nice. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and let's get started. So, like always, I am gonna go in with my primer that I use all the time. I'm gonna start with this light pink, and that's gonna be like my transition color. I'm gonna bring it out towards like my outer corner, because I am gonna be doing a cut crease look. So I'm just going to make sure I bring it out here and blend it up towards my brow bone. And I'm just gonna keep blending. Any of you guys doing anything for Valentine's? Because here we are still on lockdown and nothing's open yet, so we're not doing anything for Valentine's. And it's okay if the color goes on the lid. It doesn't have to be perfect because I am gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna grab a bigger blending brush. I bought this new brush from Zoeva, from the brand that I did the foundation review the other day, or the makeup review from the new brand. I ended up ordering a new foundation color and a brush. I'm gonna be using a pencil, like a pencil brush. This doesn't have, it's just a detail brush. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Dominic Cosmetics and use that pink eyeshadow and put it in the crease. And then just kind of blend it as you put the color. With a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Back to the strawberry shake palette, and with that same brush, I'm gonna go in with the dark red. And put it in the same place I applied the pink color. After like 20 minutes of blending and going back and forth, I know it looks crazy, kind of a lot, but okay. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna use this Colourpop and some foundation. I like to use thick, either foundation or concealer when I want to do a cut crease, because it removes the eyeshadow better. I'm just gonna use a tiny flat brush and you can always fix the end however you want it. I know some people like it like straight or curly. I kind of prefer like it too curly. Okay, so I think all looks okay. Okay, I'm gonna set it. For the lid eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shimmer Eternal Night from the Dominic Cosmetics, which is this one. I'm gonna spray some setting spray. I'm also gonna go in with this one just because I feel like it's not showing up. You could kind of see it, so I'm gonna keep spraying some setting spray and go back and forth with this shimmer and the one from Dominic Cosmetics. The colors, like the shimmer, is not showing on camera, but it looks good off. I'm just gonna go ahead and bring it towards the outer corner, and I'm not gonna put any eyeliner. I was thinking about it, but I feel like that would be too much. That would kind of take away from this look. So, okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna do my foundation, my face, and then I'll be back and show you guys the lashes I use and what I'm gonna do for the under eye. In my face, and now for the under eye, I'm gonna go back to the Strawberry Shake palette and go in with my Milkshake and put that in here and kind of bring it towards For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this palette from Naked Cosmetics that I also got from BoxyCharm, and I'm gonna go in with that pink. Actually, I'm gonna go back and forth with this one and this Cover FX, like this. So I'm just gonna go back in with this one and the pink one and apply that in the inner corner. So it kind of shows up as like a neon pink. And I'm also gonna do the same, go back and forth with these two palettes for the highlighter. As you can see, it kind of has a hint of pink. So that's it for the face now. For the waterline, I'm gonna go in with a white liner because I don't want the black to kind of clash with the pink. For the lashes, I threw away the packaging, but I'm gonna be using these lashes from Kits, and I believe those are in So Flirty. So I have the lashes on. And for the bottom lashes, I'm going to use the Telescopic Mascara L'Oreal. I'm also going to use the Essence mascara. Okay, and for the liner, I'm going to use this Essence Soft and Precise Lip Pencil in, what is this? Legendary. So I'm gonna line my line. I'm gonna line my lips. And I'm gonna use the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks and Sweet Tooth. And these smells like chocolate. Now I don't like the applicator. I don't know if you're able to see. I don't like the applicators. But I really love this color. Like the perfect brown nude. Okay, so this is it for this video. I really like how this look came out. I wasn't expecting it to come out as good as it did. It's not something I would wear obviously every day, but I don't know, for Valentine's I will be doing maybe 1 or 2 more Valentine's looks. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you guys on my next video.